Here we go again. My brand new 2016 Ford F-350 with 32,000 miles. Owned it about a year. Not starting. Ford has provided me with some type of electronic recorder. I've already recorded it 4 times. Truck will not start. I've had it into the dealership 4 times. It's done this probably 20 times by now. I'm just recording this for the dealership that I have recorded it and the truck does not start. And that's it. That's about 20 to 25 times I've tried to start it in the last 20 minutes. As far as I know, this is only recorded 4 times that I've tried it. Alright, thank you.